जाओ। शबाब को दे रहे, शबाब को दे, शबाब को दे,
कौन सा फॉर्म भरना होता है?
बेटा कैसे चल रहा ये क्या तो बोलो गया था खाने के अंदर सब चीज़ के अंदर जो प्रॉब्लम है ये एकांत में है, हर चीज़ से नियर है, चाहे बैठो हो चाहे
हैप्पी इनविटेशन सही कोई गाड़ी नहीं
ब्रह्मा साहब आ गए सर
आ गए अच्छा डेकोर कर दिया आपने इधर से
सर ये दिस इज वीआईपी लॉन्च सर
हैप्पी नेशनल वोटर
हाँ हैप्पी
सर वन बैग
हाँ हाँ जरूर लगाओ
ठीक है with the flag and all बीच में flag अगर आए
हाँ this is
sir the awardees we are giving which is the national flag color sir
हाँ ये तो दे
I think we'll finish up by 1:30 1:30 even building the quality is you see the cracks here the tiles also
उसका सेटलमेंट नहीं हुआ था द फाउंडेशन नॉट सेटल्ड
So just go please Farooq
सेरेमनी है ना उसमें
oh wait ready
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर आइए सर
traffic
हाँ सर अनफॉर्चुनेट
we have to do all sorts
सर थैंक यू सर
I'm Naseem Zaidi sir
सर
Wish you all the best.
We are so happy, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what you want me to say, sir? 60 or 70?
Which one, sir?
Voting.
66%.
Now we are 60%,
It
sir.
was the highest turnout this time.
Almost 67%, sir.
Huh?
Almost we are touching 67% of Indian people are voting. Voter turnout. No, sir.
Now, beyond 75 is not possible with the system, unless you go to mobile.
Correct, sir.
Mobile telephone with coding, proper coding.
Sir.
You go, you get 90.
आराम से आएगा, sir.
That's true.
Sir, also traveling in between. एक दो महीने पहले you have been outside also, ना?
Yeah,
You are outside Delhi.
China.
क्या बोलते? Sir, you got people from our embassy, sir, ambassadors, high commissioners, then our people.
But you could tell them, because of the...
हाँ sir, we have told them, sir.
movement
We have already announced, sir. Sir is delayed by a few minutes.
Our chief guest, the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And the Commission. Please remain standing now for the singing of the national anthem.
दीप प्रज्वलित कर विधिवत समारोह का शुभारंभ करें।
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Election Commissioner, Dr. Naseem Zaidi, to please welcome all our guests.
Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, Chief Election Commissioner Shri H.S. Brahma, representative of political parties, excellencies, distinguished guests, award-winning officials, young voters, media persons, officials of ECI, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. On behalf of Election Commission of India, it's my privilege and honor to extend a hearty welcome to all of you to the 5th National Voters' Day 2015 at national level. We are honored to have respected Dr. Kalam as the chief guest on this occasion. Sir, you are the first and preeminent national icon for voter awareness and participation for ECI. We are indeed very grateful to you. I would take this opportunity to reflect on his vision of electoral system. In his book, A Manifesto for Change, Dr. Kalam envisions and advocates a very quick system of determining the eligibility of candidates by use of software and also by voters to use their mobiles by using secured ID. Our respected chief guest would educate our guests present here. Sir, it will be very appropriate if we share some of the recent initiatives of the Commission in this regard. To begin with, the Commission will revamp its website totally to make it voter-centric. Today, sir, you will be also launching a national voter service portal, providing national electoral services at one place. Thirdly, soon to be launched electronic postal ballots to NRIs would be a transformational initiative towards change. The Election Commission has also entrusted a feasibility report to National Institute of Smart Governance for total electronic governance of election management. And finally, some pilot experiments have been initiated to feed and seed Aadhaar data, including biometrics, in some parts of the country. I welcome the representatives of political parties who are the most important stakeholders in our democratic setup. The Commission has always considered political parties and their willing adherence to the country's electoral system as a source of strength to the Commission. We look forward to their support for implementation of transparent system for election. We also have a good presence of newly registered voters from different parts of Delhi who would receive their electoral photo ID card and a badge from the chief guest. Sir, these young friends represent millions of others who are similarly being felicitated and empowered across more than 9 lakh polling stations in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, NVD is the most celebrated event of ECI after any general election, not only in terms of empowerment of citizens, but also spread of activities for voters' awareness and education. As we have gathered here, millions other across country are also involved. Men and women, boys and girls, the young and the old, the educated and the illiterate, the rich and the poor, the urban and the rural, and those in the remotest corner of the country. We have added 30 million voters to our electoral roll, swelling it to 840 million, by far the largest database by a very, very wide margin. And therefore, the Election Commission of India would like to thank and welcome all our partners from government, civil society, NGOs in this huge collaborative management. I also welcome election officials from across the country who will be conferred with awards for best electoral practices. Diplomats from various countries and representatives of UN organizations present here are part of our joint commitment to improve democratic practices through exchange and sharing of information. A very, very warm welcome. I also welcome our new partner, UIDAI, and its Director General, Mr. Vijay Madan, who is collaborating with us very closely in our new initiative of sharing Aadhaar details with our electoral database. Sir, NVD is part of our flagship program, SWEEP, the contribution of which to Indian election in recent years has been immense and written in gold in terms of awareness, education, and huge turnout in state assemblies as well as general election 2014. And therefore, I would like to acknowledge the role of media in publicizing our SWEEP programs objectively and being great friends of ECI. A very hearty welcome to all of you. And lastly, in keeping with the theme of NVD this year, focus of ECI will be placed on correct, easy, and timely registration of all eligible citizens and making all processes completely voter-centric. We are determined to improve the health of the electoral roll. A range of IT solutions for detecting multiple entries and photo matches in the roll will be employed right from the national level electoral database down to assembly constituencies and polling station level. It is our earnest commitment that before publishing the draft roll on 1st October, this year, we will make best endeavors to have a draft roll, multiple entries free at a predetermined cutoff rate. And therefore, I, on behalf of the Election Commission, call upon all stakeholders to join us to overcome this huge challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, it is reassuring to see that National Voters' Day has emerged as an avenue to surge forward and demonstrate abiding faith in Indian democracy and electoral system. Observing the NVD for the 5th time in a row marks our solemn resolve to uphold and strengthen democratic values. At the end, I once again extend a very, very hearty welcome to all of you to the 5th National Voters' Day, and particularly to our respected Dr. Kalam as our chief guest. Thank you very much.
डॉक्टर नसीम जैदी का हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं और अब निर्वाचन उपायुक्त श्री उमेश सिन्हा से अनुरोध करते हैं कृपया राष्ट्रीय मतदाता दिवस पर माननीय डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम द्वारा प्रदान किए जाने वाले राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कारों के बारे में जानकारी दें।
Honorable Chief Guest and Chief National Icon of Election Commission of India, Dr. Kalam, Honorable Chief Election Commissioner Sri H.S. Verma, Election Commissioner Dr. Jayadi, former ECs, Excellencies, representatives of political parties, distinguished guests, young electors of Delhi, award winners, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great privilege and honor for me to introduce the National Awards 2014 for the best electoral practices among such an eminent gathering. The National Awards were introduced by the Commission in 2011 to encourage excellence, proficiency, and innovations in the field of election management, and to recognize the dedicated contributions of different stakeholders in the field of electoral management. The awards have helped develop a core resource base among officers working in the field of election management and has promoted mutual learning and emulation. The elections over the past few years have witnessed transformation in the amplitude of efforts put in by the electoral machinery, media, civil society groups, and individuals, not only to make our election free, fair, transparent, and secure,